Hello student, Veena Dixit here. Please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel and share my video with your friends so that both of you will release your pressure. Okay, God bless you, all the best. Keep smiling, do hard work, do practice only, my child, and no need to worry, I will give every information. Now we are discussing about electrochemistry. Calculate the reduction potential for the following half cell. Very important question. Ag, Ag1 positive, and in this way you can do many exercise yourself. Ag, Ag1 positive, molar concentration is 10 to power minus 5 m. E naught value Ag1 positive, Ag is equal to 0.80 volt. Now what you have to do? You have to do first of all write down equation yourself that Ag1 positive because they have given you reduction potential. Remember from here they have given reduction potential, so you have to do reduction. Okay, so that is why I am saying that you have to make reaction by your own, that Ag1 positive is reduced to Ag by gain of 1 electron. Now here we will go for the Nernst equation. Use Nernst equation to get half cell reaction. EMF is equal to E naught Ag1 positive Ag minus 0.0591 by N log of Ag of molar concentration of silver, molar concentration of silver ion. See, given value of molar concentration is 10 to power minus 5, it is given, and E naught Ag1 positive Ag is also given, so write on that. And here N is not given, but here we know that 1 electron is only taking part, so N is equal to 1. Now put all these value in the equation. EMF is equal to we can write on EMF Ag1 positive Ag is equal to E naught Ag1 positive Ag minus 0.0591 by 1 log of Ag molar concentration of Ag by molar concentration of Ag positive ion. And since it is solid, here I have to write on solid. I think, yeah, I have written solid. Since it is solid, okay, it is solid, so it is molar concentration is taken as 1. That is why I put the value 1 over here instead of log of Ag positive. Ag I have written 1, and Ag1 positive is 10 to power minus 5. Now we put all these value, and we see that here log of this is minus of 1, log of 1 upon 10 by 10 power minus 5, so it will become 10 to power plus 5 upper. Okay, now here 0.080 minus, put the value, you will see that it is on the multiply by 5, answer will be 0.2955. when you subtract it, you will get 0.50 volt. This is the correct answer. How do I get it? Log of 10 to power 5 is equal to 5 log 10, that is equal to 5. You know the value of this. That is why I had done it directly, but for new concept I did written here. Okay, so this will be changed because it is 1 by